The Reserve Bank of Australia meet next week, and here are the expectations. Short-term interest rate markets see a 75% chance of a 25 basis point rate hike. The most recent Reuters poll shows 27 out of 28 economists also forecast the RBA to hike by 25 basis points to 3.60% next week. Recent inflation data from Australia has been strong, and the country has not yet seen a peak in either of the headline or the core inflation readings, unlike in the US, the UK and the Eurozone. Therefore, the RBA are expected to hike despite the recent slowdown in labour data. However, if the RBA start to signal signs of slowing down their pace of rates in this week's interest rate meeting, then do watch for some potential Aussie-New Zealand dollar downside. Now, the RBA decision is on Tuesday, March the 7th at 3:30 a.m. UK time. Now, the Aussie-New Zealand dollar has got a seasonally weak time of the year, 60% winning Aussie-New Zealand dollar sell bias over the last 15 years. You can see that the seasonal pattern tends to fall lower. And the Aussie-New Zealand dollar pair has got some pretty major stiff resistance up from that 1.0900 region where you've got the 100, 200 exponential moving average, and then above that back up at that 1.100 level. So there's some key technical levels to be aware of in and through the meeting. Remember, HYCM clients can access the SeasonX product in order to analyze over 25,000 different currency pairs, indices, commodities, as well as individual stocks. Please do contact your account manager for a free trial and get started right away. Certain products and services mentioned herein may or may not be available to all clients, depending on which HYCM Capital Markets Group entity their trading account adheres to.